Okay.
Take the skin one. Let's go.
Hell no, I don't want to play crypto. I don't even know how to play crypto at all. I will literally get stuck in his drone
Wings up.
and then start screaming because I don't know how to get out, or I don't know how to recall the drone.
Wings out.
Oh, hell to the no, no, no.
Counting down from 60 and the ring's close by.
2 bats. And 2 cells.
R301 here.
Have I tried playing Loba?
12 cells.
45 seconds. Ring is near.
It's just... I would play Loba if we had a 3-stack.
Let's explore this
If
way.
the games
Never
look
mind.
were like kind of like we weren't getting good loot. But we
I was
definitely
actually
need
thinking
a...
of playing Loba before this, but like, yeah, I'd want like a seer or something.
We need Scan Legend
Only
and we
have
need
30 seconds
Valk.
left.
And then like our third has to be some kind of movement legend. And I don't want to depend on the third to be Valk, you know, and then be yelling at them to Valk ult. I'd rather just pop the Valk ult and make them get on anyways, you know what I mean?
It's a...
Body shield here. Level 4.
10 seconds.
Quick rush it up quick.
Wings out.
Yeah, I pinked it and I wanted him to have it instead of me.
Looking for any salvage right here. Cargo bot down. Finders keepers. Wings up. Hey, ring's closing and we are all in the danger
I'm
zone.
gonna get another gold here. It's my good karma. Oh, purple. Ping R301, bestie. We literally pinged one for you.
Optics here. Close range. Wings out.
Yeah, I just...
Clip, do you thank you for the follow?
I have no words for that one, Chief.
That is so true, everyone. Sean always asks me for a reskin, but never says thank you.
Level 3.